Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm here back with another one on XLM. You know, it's been breaking out. Here, let's go look at the daily real quick for y'all. Okay. I don't really look like it's been breaking out, but you know what I'm saying right here. We got that breakout the other day. Boom. Where is it at? Right here. Boom. Yeah. I forgot who was. I was listening to somebody. They were talking about it on stream. Where they were in it when it broke out. But I'm in it now. I didn't actually mean to get in it either. Got in it because I had sent some. I said I use XLM to send because it's cheapest and fastest from the ones that I have used. And so I use XLM, and whenever I sent it, it was in my spot. And I said, fuck it, let me long it real quick. I'm trying to kill this mosquito that's flying around here. I had the doors open earlier. Feel good today. All right, you see right here. I put it from right here instead of putting it from the very top. I put it from the begin. Excuse me, from the very beginning point where the crypto started at. Zeus, go over there. My dog, my bad. And so yeah, it came down, hit that point right there. And so that's why we're seeing that right there stop. So that's what I'm going off of. So we got this flat line down here, and then we got this upper line right here. So if we come under this right here, I would long it if I was anybody that isn't in it. I would try to hope it came back down to get it back to get in this area before it pops off. I'm personally hoping it pops off right now. I'm already in it actually, so I'm actually negative. Like, let me see, negative like 30%, 32%. On Bitcoin, I'm up 70, and then the Theta, I'm up 20. Yeah, Theta's went up a little bit since we last talked about it. So if I was y'all, I would try to catch this down. Hope it comes down and catch that. I would get an alert and set it right there. I'll go ahead and do it. Oh, look, I already got an alert. Boom. You know, whenever I get alerts, I got them mostly on these downtrends and uplines, the downlines and downtrends and uptrend lines. So I'll go ahead and every time those goes off, I'll go ahead and put a video up there and let y'all know like, hey, you know, we're breaking up above the line. I wouldn't suggest longing it. As you can see, it stays trading in between it the whole time. Came up on top of it a nice, what is that, 60 to almost 80 cents. Wow. I want to get back up there, baby. Let's go. You know? And so this is the area that I'm watching. It's the area that I'm watching. Let me go ahead and throw these Bollinger Bands, throw my SMAs, you know, stuff I like using. Got a, oh yeah, I got it on this part. Uh, I'll just pull it up over here. I don't want to look up RSI and KDJ. There you go. RSI, KDJ. All right. Got those up. See, we got volume because you can see the low volume would be in this area. See, so we're way above that. We were in it around here, right there. And so where are we at in volume? Where are we at in volume? All right, yeah, pretty good volume, pretty good volume. So we're at the top of the Bollinger Band on the daily, though. That's not necessarily good, even though we came down, and I guess you could say that's almost a halfway point. I noticed that 20 SMAs usually halfway point in the Bollinger Band. So, you know, really people that don't use the Bollinger Bands, but use their 20 SMA as their midpoint, they're pretty much using a Bollinger Band. Yes, that's what I've kind of noticed since I've been doing it. And so, but I like to just keep them in there. So 'cause that's what I use as it. So we're coming down. Not what I want to see, but we are. So let's see what happens. And so let me go ahead and let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the hourly. All right, look, right here. This is real tight. This is what I'm waiting for, really. This is what I'm hoping happens is this 50 SMA, boom, goes on top of the 200. How much time we got left? 40 minutes. 40 minutes, this thing's fixing to come in here right here. I bet you. I bet you. I probably should pull out of it. Down 40% now. Uh, all right, yeah, I might have to add some margin to it. On the code, my liquidation price is 35,645. Let me put it up here. Need to be ready. Need to be ready, man. And something just happened with Alice. Let's go look at that. We're here already. I pretty much got y'all updated on XLM. Told y'all buy the bottom right here at 28 cents. And then either you can hold and wait for the breakout and just keep holding and holding, or you can take profit at 36 cents. But I don't think it's gonna go back down that low. I feel like right here we're gonna have our bottom right here. Told you we're gonna come test that 35, which is gonna come lead to this us coming down. It's gonna come over what 35 this 35 minutes come over here, hit the bottom, 35 cents, and then pop back up because this is gonna go on top of that, and we're gonna keep going. But if not, if this comes, what we can do is it could dip. This could come down all the way. And what this could do is go like this, the green go on top of there, the white stay where it's at, the red go down, white go down, green go down, and then look for that. Look for the flip right there, boom. Well, actually, green will go down too. I mean, white and then the red will flip that, and then this will come, and then the red will flip, the white will flip that. Son, yeah, that's what I would expect for that right there, boom. Those would flip like that if it doesn't flip right now. If this red don't start pushing it up and the white flips on top of the green, and then you could expect that coming in. So let me delete these lines real quick. I'm gonna throw in the Fibonacci real quick to get my chart complete. So Fibonacci, we're gonna go from the bottom right here. The last bottom is what I like to use for the part that we're in if we're using that. And so you can see it dips down right there. So boom, right there. So you can see we get on top of the 6,618. That was the take profit area. That right there, like I say, that's the shit. I'm a little pissed off I didn't fucking take my profits right there. But I was, like I said, on the course, this take profit area hit about the same time my theta take profit should have hit. Boom, theta's up, baby. Let's go, baby. And so coming down to test is 236, and what I'm hoping is this 236 area holds. I got that alert on there because I will probably because I need to add some more margin. I'm gonna just go ahead and thug it out, hold on to this one. Hopefully, if it comes under this line though, I'm gonna be fucking negative though. I probably, you know what I'm saying. This is the thing why you don't get on the top, and if you already, even though it came down a little bit, because I noticed it on this candle actually. It's like the beginning of this candle. I just flipped to it. I was like, ah, shit. Or this one, I missed. Or it was this one, and I was hoping this one was gonna go back up right there. How it had that hammer candle, but boom, boom, it dropped. So thugging it out, hoping it bounces off this 236 area is what I'm hoping for. But Bitcoin dipped a little bit from 57.2, 57.1, and so yeah, we didn't hold that 6.6. You see it closed. What this close at? Close 36,987, 36,987. This is 36,985. Fibonacci is probably not on point unless it is, but right at it. I wouldn't even consider that a. That was like right on it, but you got the long wick too. You got to count for the wick. If the wick was on that, then I would be like, what the hell just happened? On the other side though, you see, since it closed right on it, you gotta look at the opposite now. Coming down. Close right on it, we're coming down. We didn't close on it on the upside, we close on it on the downside is what you gotta look for. And then so now I'm hoping we stop at the 236. If we don't, I would expect it to hop over an hour, hop over maybe another hour, come down and get in this area at the zero right there, right here for a flip at the high 35. Look at that. The high of this is 35 on the dot almost. And there we go. 35 on the dot. Right. Gotta go with that little. Every little bit sometimes make a difference. You'd be surprised. So you see it's like right at that 6.6. It doesn't go on top of it. Does not. That wick actually, man, right there would have been the perfect short. But, you live and you learn. You know what I'm saying? Trade the channel. Trade it. I knew what I was supposed to do, but I didn't follow my rules. And so now, look, I'm negative and I'm bag holding on it, hoping it goes up, and it looks like it's going up. Is what I'm hoping for. Test it one more time, and I'm going to close out of it because I don't feel like it. I'll close out 50%. Put my stop loss right under the 618 just in case it does come back down. I want to go. That's what I'm doing for XLM. Let me look at Alice because an alert did pop up. An alert did pop up. Y'all getting this one for free. I'm not even gonna post it in the video that you literally have to watch this one to know. So Alice just crossed. Okay, that's what I had. So see, it just hopped on top of the Alice just got on top of the 20 MA. Is not the alert I want to have on there. See, that's why I had it right here. I gotta switch this to the 20 SMAs to know when they cross. Create. But yeah, but that's not a bad thing though. It's on top of the 20 SMA. It had just crossed back here a couple of hours ago. So you can expect it to pop to the upside. And look, so you see that line right here? That's my daily line on the bottom. It came under it, which, oh no, look, the yellow line. It's the yellow one, my bad. This one was from let's look, we'll zoom out. We'll zoom out real quick. We'll zoom out. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm trying to cut the video off real quick. Let y'all know I gotta go look at some stuff too. From the bottom right here. I used it and I hit the bottom over here, boom, right there, and the bottom over here, and that's what I was using for this. It's just, you gotta somewhat know kind of, sometimes these long wicks, these long parts right here are just sell-offs, major investors, goddamn, not retail investors, goddamn, I can't think of the name. But yeah, that's whenever stuff like that happens. Major shit happens where I wouldn't consider this a part of the main focus actually. For example, I bet if I move this up to this, I bet it'll hit right here on the money. You want to see? You want to bet? Who wants to bet? Let's bet. Make a bet. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. Who's gonna bet me? Who's gonna bet me? Where's my line at? Where's my line at? Come on. I'm gonna just draw another one. I'm gonna just draw another one. Let's go. Let's go. Who's in the who's betting? I bet you. Oh man, let me I gotta zoom all the way up. Damn it. right here.